Hi everybody, today I will show you how I did my little kid slippers with my 46 needle. Donc first I cast on the machine, one by one in the front, one in the back for the first row. And then I put that in the yarn feeder, close it, and I will do 5 rows of red. I will skip colors during this video. There, cut it, and bring the pink. I do 2 different colors because it's easier to explain and to do it at the end when it came time to sew it together. So I attach that to tail and crank it for another 5 rows. Another color change, same thing, attach those 2 tails together. And crank. So I will do 6 times 5 rows of different color to get to 30 rows of yarn. So time to cast off. To cast off, I just use to crank my machine almost 360 over it, and then I will, with my wool needle, remove stitch by stitch like this. I put that a little bit faster, like this, a bit more fast. Geez, I'm slow. So I got it. So you need 2 like this. So I got the 2. So you add all the little tail of yarn like this, and I got the excess. Tip. Then I will go and open it, pull, and close both sides like this. It's a very easy slippers. It's very easy to get to do from a newbies, no problem. So you close both sides like this, very tight, and then you stretch it like this, and you almost have your slippers done. Now it's time to do some mattress stitch. So you grab 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. Like this. And I make sure that I reach on every colors. If I go 2 and 2. So that way my stripe will be on the same height. There, almost finished. And my color change is every 5. So if you don't do the color change, you'll be mattress stitch it till you reach 15 rows. Okay? I will try my little feet, and I will go and sew the ear part. Same thing, mattress stitch, 2 on one side, and you have to try to stay on the same column, and 2 on the other side. Like this. Pull, and voila, the little slippers. And if you don't have the color change, you sew 5 rows. There, cut it. And to secure it in the feet of the foot of your kids, you could do and add a little ribbon around the the feet, or where it's going in. I don't know the name, but you could put a little ribbon around it, or a e-cord or something, just to make sure that it stay in their feet. So see you next week for a new video. Ciao ciao. And don't forget to be nice with one person today. Just one at least.